The fine folks over at Suma Detailing sent me their ceramic spray to give it a shot, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I thought, what a perfect thing to do. Let's see how it does on Patina fenders for my Honchero project. So let's get to it. Instructions do say you can apply this to a dry fender or dirty fender or dirty whatever you're using, but for best results, you do want to wash it. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the fenders down. Then we'll start applying. I'm going to apply a coat wet, let it dry, and then apply a dry coat as well. You do have a lot of options with this product, which is very nice. Let's wash all the junk off and apply the first coat wet. Sudsy. Apparently I filled that blinker with soap and I didn't realize it. Okay, also I'm going to use this passenger side fender as a control. We're going to do everything to the driver's side so we have a one-to-one comparison to watch everything beads up and see the difference. There's a little safety retainer to prevent it from spraying. Take that out. I'm going to spray 2 gentle mists on here. From everything that they've said in the instructions, it goes pretty far, so start wiping. And once it's fully dried, we will put another dry coat on it and see what the results are. I have no doubt that if you had a nice, pristine, clean fender, it would look amazing. So this is probably a worst case scenario. But I still think it's going to make it, if nothing else, a heck of a lot easier to clean this thing. And since I plan to drive this car a bunch, that's a good thing. Driver's side fender is dry. Let's apply the second dry coat, and then we'll compare them on the water test. Well, it says you can do a whole car in about 10 minutes, and I have no doubt you can. I'm just taking my time with this one because I want a nice result to compare. So let's go ahead and see how she beads. Oh yeah, it's a huge difference. Give you a little better shot of the water and the difference. I'll do some close-ups. It's definitely a big difference from the untreated versus the treated side. And I don't doubt the difference will be humongous if you had a car that wasn't covered in stuff. Suma makes a very nice product. They make it in-house. I'm really happy with the results. I have a 10% discount code. It's the number 6, the word percent, the number 10. Get you 10% off. So please go ahead and check it out. Thanks Suma very much for the product, and I will see you guys next time.